sweet tooth?
No, my teeth are all healthy, see?
No, in English, sweet tooth means you like to eat sweet things and dessert like chocolate, cake, or candy.
Interesting, so?
Do you want one?
No, I want
And I saw my friend recycling yesterday. It really gave me food for thought.
Food? I don't see any food.
All you care about is food. Food for thought isn't real food or something you eat. It's something you think deeply about.
Oh, so you're thinking about recycling too?
Exactly. It must give you food for thought too.